Hello friends, if you're interested in home decoration videos and you love to do DIYs, then this video is definitely for you. It is a very minimal budget decoration video and an easy design that anyone can create. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rainbow Dots by Ekta Khanna. This one is a requested video. Someone has asked me to make a video on pot decoration. I have this handi at home. I have not purchased it. I have got this with biryani that I have ordered from one of the reputed food chain based in Gurgaon. I have washed this handi properly and decided to use it for my pot decoration video. I am using Fevicryls molded to create my 3D design on this handi. So this packet comes with two different clays. So you are supposed to mix both the clays in equal amount. It is little sticky, so I advise you to please use a talcum powder while working with it. So you need to blend both the clays very nicely until they turn into a uniform color. And please make sure to take both the clays in equal part. It is really important. Now my clay is ready to work. So I am making small balls and placing them directly on the pot. So you do not require any glue or adhesive to fix them on the pot. Once they will dry, they will stick there directly. So I'm just making small balls and arranging them in a flower shape to create my design. So if you feel that it's tricky, you can use talcum powder in between. So now I'm making an oval shape and turning them into the flower petal. So I'm just stretching this little bit and giving it a shape of a petal and placing it on my pot. And I'm repeating the same step with the other petals also. So now my flower is ready. So I will be extending my design and using talcum powder whenever it is required. For creating this design, I have used the entire packet of molded. And the packet that I have purchased, it's not very expensive. The small packet is only for 20 rupees. So it is really a very low budget project. My entire design is ready now and I leave it for around 2 to 3 hours to dry. I have enough time in between now and I have these two small handis also at my home. So I thought of utilizing that time and decided to color these two handis, and so that whenever I get time in future I can decorate them. So I have painted them both in white color. After 3 hours, the molded clay is completely dry and you can see it's fixed nicely on the pot. It's not getting off. So I am giving a base color white. I'm using a white acrylic color to give a base coat to this earthen pot. So this white color is going to enhance the true shade of the color that is I'm going to use finally on my pot. The best thing about the acrylic colors are that they dry very quickly. So now my white color is completely dry and I'm giving a final coat of a Persian blue color on my pot. My toddler son has also decided to join me and he really helped me in covering this entire pot. We both enjoyed working together. So towards the end it was looking like I'm the one who is helping him. It's not the other way around. It was fun working with him. And I also find that it is a really constructive way to keep my son busy. And he's feeling very proud of himself whenever he's looking at this pot and he has that sense of achievement. Yes, I have painted this. So now my blue color is entirely dry. So earlier I thought of using silver dust on it. However, it was not available at the shop near my place. So I had this pearl white color in my acrylic box, so I decided to use that only. Unfortunately, the outcome is really disappointing. It's really evident here. So I was not happy with the outcome. So I decided to cover the entire design with the white acrylic paint and color the flowers in my favorite colors. So here is another good part about the acrylic colors. Once they are dry, you can apply any other color on it without mixing the two colors together. Friends, if you have watched this video till this point, so I really request you to please hit that subscribe button and support my channel. My channel is really new. I have only posted 15 videos till now and I need your support in growing my channel. Please, if possible, share it with your family and friends and hit that like button. If you too have any requests or suggestions for any video, please do let me know in the comment section. I would be happy to create those videos. My pot is ready now and these colors will dry in few minutes. This pot is ready to display now. You can use it as a planter. You could put any other pot inside it and place it at your home, or it can be also placed as a decorative piece. It will enhance that corner. You can also place it in your garden, and it can be also used to plant a sapling. This will upgrade the look of your garden. Thanks for watching this video. See you very soon in next video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, and bye.